Hello, good evening, friends. I hope you are happy and healthy. Friends, today I will discuss about a new company which is Royal 1000. I will explain you step by step and everything explain you about Royal 1000 company, which domain is www.royal1000.in. You can also visit this website and get more knowledge. Today we have start thinking about this company very seriously. If you think of today in India, the educated employed youth is rich abundant. If the 5 lakh young people are employed in 1 year, Andhra can get lakh of educated employed young student, so that we can think of how much job is needed right now. Today, if you want to start a business, you have to spend lakh of rupees. But even if you do not have enough money, then how to do business and how to do live? The big question is standing in front of the people. It was so expensive, friends, today that ordinary people could not afford it. The company has planned that at least 1 million people can work here and earn money. Friends, I will discuss Royal 1000 plan. Friends, I will discuss about the company joining amount. Joining amount, you can see your display. When you pay 1000 rupees in company, then your ID will be activated. When you pay 1000 rupees, then your ID will be activated. When your ID will be activated, then you will be capable for all type of income. I will describe all types of income and how to earn and how to get rupees in company. Then I will discuss about types of income. Friends, there are 4 types of income. First, daily ad view income. Second, direct sponsor income. Third is royalty income, and fourth is magic club income. You can get unlimited income. There are 4 types of income, lots of opportunity for generate your income. Friends, direct sponsor income will be, you can get 10% per business partner. When you get direct sponsor, then you will be get 10% per business partner, get unlimited direct sponsor and get unlimited income. Then I will discuss daily ad view income. You can get Rs 20 rupees daily till 100 days. This is a ad view income. Then I will discuss about magic club. Friends, here you can get 1000 rupees in magic club income. If you get 3 direct in 7 days of date of joining, then you will be get 1000 rupees. There are not 3 direct sponsor will be compulsory for going to magic club income. Then I will discuss about silver income. 1 direct will be compulsory in silver club income. Re-top up Rs 1000 and 10:10 club income achiever in your both side. I mean, when your left side leg 10 club income achiever member and right side leg 10 club income achiever member, then you will get 5000 rupees in silver club income. Then I will discuss gold club. 2 direct will be compulsory in gold club income. Re-top up Rs is 2000 rupees. When your left side leg 25 silver club achiever member and right side same also, both you can get 10,000 rupees in gold club income. Then I will discuss platinum income. Platinum income, in platinum club income, you can 4 direct will be compulsory in platinum club income. Re-top up Rs 5000 and 50 gold club achiever member in left side and 50 gold club achiever in right side, then you will be get 25,000 rupees in platinum club income. Then I will discuss diamond club income. Diamond club income, a direct will be compulsory for diamond club income. Re-top up RS 10,000 and 100 Platinum Club Achiever member in left side and also right side, then you will be get 50,000 rupees in Diamond Club income. Then I will discuss Crown Diamond income. 16 direct compulsory in Crown Diamond income. Re-top up RS 20,000, 200 Diamond Club Achiever member in your left side and 200 Diamond Club Achiever in your right side, then you will be get 1 lakh rupees in Crown Diamond income. Then I will discuss about royalty income. When you get 5 direct sponsor, then company will give you 5% company turnover till active ID. The biggest opportunity in royalty income, friends. If you get 10 direct sponsor, then you will be get 10% CTO. I mean 10% company turnover income if you get 10 direct sponsor. This is our Hindi explanation video link, and this is our team, and this is our terms and condition, which is daily closing, minimum withdrawal 100, 24 into 7 withdrawal within a second in your account, direct transfer by ECS. ECS is procedure for withdrawal income. Admin charge will be 10% deduction from all type of income, and Sunday adview income off. This is a thank you page. Company domain is www.royal1000.in. All types of link will be available in video description.